How to disable active status on your Instagram. If you want that when you are online, no one can see that you are online. It means when you are online, there are small green dots on your profile picture or name. So when you are online, people can find. But if you want, no one can find that you are online. So you can do this in your Instagram settings. So for that, what you will do, just open your Instagram profile. When you are on your profile, at top right side, three horizontal lines, click on these horizontal lines. When you click on this, scroll down a little and you find an option called messages and story replies. So simply click on messages and story replies. When you click on this, now you can see who can see you are online. The first option, show activity status, just click on this. When you click on this, just simply turn off this. When you turn off this, now when you are online, no one can find that you are online. It means you can use your Instagram without knowing anyone that you are online.